Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR or zip files using an app called RAR on your OPPO Find X5 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate our RAR or zip file archive, and mine is located in DCIM and camera. Here you can see pictures.rar, and in order to unpack it, we'll need to press on it. In some cases you will need to enter the password. I know the password for this one, it's 123. You can show or hide the password if you want. Press OK to get access to the file. And now in order to unpack it, you can simply press this arrow pointing up and you will unpack all files, or you can select specific amount of files you want to unpack. So I'm anyway gonna choose all of them, and now press the arrow pointing up and we'll see a bit of options which we can change. So the first one is to go to browse, and you'll be able to pick where you want to unpack your files, and mine will go to the movies. Press OK to save that, and here you can change 3 options for file unpacking, and it will be ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can also enable to keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. In order to unpack it, simply press OK after you changed all of the settings. Now let's go back to the main menu and go to our movies. And here you can see 4 photos that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.